Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to display an on-screen keyboard on a laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. I will share 3 methods to display an on-screen keyboard on a laptop. We can start with the first one. Method 1. Using the Start menu. Click the Start button, Windows icon, at the bottom left of your screen. Type on-screen keyboard in the search bar. Click on on-screen keyboard from the results. The keyboard will appear on your screen. Method 2. Using Run command. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type OSC. Press Enter. The on-screen keyboard will launch immediately. Method 3. Through Settings, Windows 10 11th. Click the Start button Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Go to Settings. Gives ease of access or accessibility. Scroll down your mouse and click on Keyboard. Turn on the switch under Use the on-screen keyboard. The on-screen keyboard will launch immediately. The on-screen keyboard is useful if your physical keyboard isn't working or for accessibility needs. I think that's enough tutorial for this video. Good luck, and see you in the next video.